how to follow topics on Twitter. If you want to stay updated and follow certain kind of topics related or to your area, this is how you do it. First, open your Twitter and make sure you are logged in right here. And once you are in the app, what you can do is swipe right to bring this menu. And from here you can see the lists right here. The lists now will show you all of the relevant topics in your area, so just tap on show more to view more lists, and you can join these groups or follow these lists to stay updated and get the latest information around your area. And that's how you can follow lists or topics on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.